Hello, dear students. I hope you all are fine. Today we will start a topic that means how you can introduce yourself. Whenever you meet a new friend or whenever you meet new people, you have to give your introduction. So it means you have to tell about yourself to the other person. Today we will learn how to give your introduction, a short and simple myself for my little ones. So let's start. You can start like that. Hello, my name is Ritu Roy. You can tell your name like this. My name is Nidhi. My name is Preeti. If you are a boy, you can say that. Hello, I am Rahul. I am Mohan. So you can tell your name in the starting of your introduction. Like I am Sam. Hello Sam, I am Katie. I am a girl. I am 5 years old. Remember, we use am with I. You can tell your age like this. I am 8 years old. I am a boy. I am 7 years old. You can tell your age like that. It means that your age is 5 years old or 6 years old. My mother name is Mrs. Sunita Devi. You can tell about the name of your mother. Like my mother is Nidhi Agarwal. My father name is Mohit Kumar. You can tell the name of your father, like if your father name is Rohit, so you can say my father name is Rohit Sharma. I have a little brother. If you have a little sister, you can say that I have a little sister. Her name is Neha. I love my family. Do you love your family? Yes, so you can say I love my family. I live in Hyderabad. I live in Hyderabad. Where do you live? You can say like I live in Ambala, Kent. You can also say that I live in Ashok Nagar. You can mention the area of your location, like I live in Ambala city, I live in Ashok Vihar, like that. So you have to tell about the area or the location. I have a pet dog. Do you have a pet, kids? If you have a pet, then you can say like that, I have a pet cat or I have a pet parrot. I am studying in New Public School. You can mention the name of your school, like I study in Bharatiya Public School. Here you have to tell about the name of your school. I love my school. Do you love your school? Yes, I know all the students love their school. I am in class 1. Here you have to mention in which class do you read. Like I study in 3rd class. If you are studying in 4th class, you can tell that I study in 4th class. So here you have to mention in which class do you study. My favorite fruit is mango, or mango is my favorite fruit. Students, tell me about your favorite fruit. You can tell about your favorite fruit, like cherry is my favorite fruit. Apple is my favorite fruit. Or you can mention about the things you like, that like I like rice or I like pizza. So you have to mention your favorite fruit or dish. I like to draw. Can you tell me about your liking? What do you like, students? I know everybody have their different like and dislike. So you can mention that I like to paint. You can tell in this way that I like drawing. I like to walk. What do you like to do, kids? You have to mention that. I like dancing. I want to be a teacher when I grow up. What do you want to do when you grow up? I want to be a doctor when I grow up. I want to be a policeman when I grow up. I want to be a singer when I grow up. So here you have to mention what do you want to become. You can also tell about your friends, like here Neha is my best friend. The name of my best friend is Preeti. Here you have to mention the name of your best friend or the person you like Preeti is my cousin sister and I like her very much. So in the starting you have to tell about yourself that my name is, you have to tell about your name. I am 6 years old or 7 years old or 8 years old. Here you have to mention your age. I live in Ambala, Kent. You can tell about your place, where do you live. I am studying in 1st standard. I am studying in 5th standard. The name of my school is Bharatiya Public School. I love to play with toys. You can also say I love to play with my friends. So here you have to mention your hobbies. What do you like to do in your free time? So you have to mention your name, age, place, class, school, hobby. Also many more things you can add. That's all for today. I hope now you have understood about how you can introduce yourself before your friends or relatives. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.